Don't forget to subscribe because today we're talking about the incredibly powerful Atlas Beetle. The most striking feature of this giant insect is its jaw-like pincers. Male Atlas beetles use these massive jaws to fight rivals and to defend themselves. But that's not their only strength. Their neck muscles are so powerful that they can even snap the tip of a pencil using only their head. Interestingly, their larvae grow underground, and even at that stage they already have strong enough jaws to damage their surroundings. With unbelievable strength compared to their body size, Atlas beetles move through the wild like tiny living tanks. Native to the tropical forests of Southeast Asia, they are considered one of the most impressive beetles in the world.